What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to fix from the native way the flipped or upside down image on our WordPress galleries or media library, okay? So before anything, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I'm sure that this friend gonna enjoy because we bring daily videos for WordPress, SEO, tutorials, sales, and many more topics, okay? So into this video we're gonna learn how to fix images like this one, okay, that have their orientation with problems, okay? And we're gonna need to rotate. This is a rotate problem, okay? So go to our WordPress dashboard, just like where we start every video, okay? And from dashboard we're gonna need to locate the media, okay? So go to WordPress dashboard, view the left side of your screen, click on media. Once on it, locate the media with problem, okay? For example, this one. Why does it happen? Normally, when you upload a photo from your mobile, from your iPhone, from your Galaxy, the orientation, okay, there is a sign for this, is AXIT, okay, as far as I can remember. The orientation bring with a they broke. WordPress did fix it some versions ago, some years ago. However, sometimes this issue still happens, and we're gonna learn a simple way to fix this problem, okay? Once on the image, click on it. After you locating your image, for example, I'm gonna choose this one with the cat. As you can see, this is rotated wrongly for the left side, as far as I can understand. So click on this image, and in the bottom of the image you're gonna click on edit image. Just let me show you something. If you review these little parts right here, your gallery may look different, okay? So if your gallery look like this, you can click on this button or just select the image in exactly the same way. After clicking on it, it's almost like clicking on edit image in the other gallery style. You're gonna open the image editor, okay? And right here you can apply the alternative text, the caption, the description, but I'm gonna click once again on edit image, okay? This gonna load the WordPress image editor, and here we're gonna be able to rotate the image for the orientation that you want. For example, right here. And after this, you're gonna need to click on the save button. After this, you can update the image. And if you go to the image on your gallery, the image now have the right orientation, okay? If you have many images, if this happens every time on your WordPress installation, subscribe to this channel, because the tomorrow video gonna explain you a simple way to fix it automatically and without needs of this work, okay? I'm gonna redo this once again, okay? Click on edit image, and we can, for example, do a flip or rotate. Save change, and we are good to go. Here is our image with the proper orientation. Let's do once more. As you can see, we can change the image orientations, okay? It's very simple. And now we are good to go. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our free WordPress theme, that is the Enzo WordPress theme, and our free WordPress plugin, that is Borderless, okay? With these two options, okay, this theme and this plugin, you can create an amazing WordPress website for free. So just download it, it's really for free. And in the case that you are in need of more tools, pre-built websites, extra option for customization, go to visualmodo.com and review the pro versions of our Enzo and Borderless WordPress plugin, so you can, with one click alone, import and make your site looks like one of those amazing websites pre-built by our designers team, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!